Hello guys, welcome back to IELTS winners. Today we are back again as it is weekend, so we are here with another mock, that is speaking mock test for IELTS 13. These are the latest questions which some of the students found difficult, so I have collected and shared with you so that you can have a good practice on them. If you haven't done our last speaking or reading, writing, listening mock test, do go to our channel IELTS Winners on YouTube, Facebook, or our website ieltswinners.net. Check them out, complete, and see whether you are able to do it or not. For your better preparation, we will be sharing at the end of the video the marking criteria. So whatever answers you have recorded, mark with that marking criteria and see which area needs a lot of improvement. If you need experts advice, then do contact us on our different Facebook, YouTube, or other social media platforms so that we can guide you in a better way. As far as the timing, let me repeat it again. So for part 1, each question you should answer for maximum of 35 seconds. Try to keep it in this time limit, do not exceed it. So when a question is asked, pause the video, speak for 35 seconds for part 1 each questions, and then again move ahead. So pause, listen, record, and then move ahead. For part 2, we all know that we get 1 minute for preparation and 2 minutes to speak. So I'll give you 1 minute to prepare and then 2 minutes to speak. Do not speak more than that. For part 3, that is follow-up questions, you need to record for at least 45 minutes, maximum 1 minute. Do not exceed that. So each question, try to record it within 45 seconds. So let's start today's mock. Part 1, personal discussion. Hello, my name is Anshu. Can you tell me your full name, please? Do you work or study? Where are you from? Okay, let's talk about robots now. What do you think of robots? Did you watch any cartoons related to robots in your childhood? Do you like the idea of robots helping you at home or driving your car? Would you ever buy a robot? Are there any negative sides of having robots at home? Moving on, let's talk something about smiling. Okay, so when do you smile most often? When was the last time you saw a lot of people smiling? Do you always try to smile in photos? Can you tell when somebody's smile is not real? Can you smile when you are sad to make others happy? That is the end of your part 1. Thank you. Now let's move on to part 2, that is cue card. Part 2, cue card log run. Here you will be given a question with some bullet points. You need to prepare for 1 minute. You can use paper and pen, jot down your ideas and vocabulary. After 1 minute, you need to speak for at least 2 minutes. Here is your question. Talk about a speech that somebody delivered and you heard. You should say who gave the speech, what the topic of the speech was, whether it impressed you or not, and explain Why did you like or dislike the speech? So your preparation time for 1 minute begins shortly. So you can start your preparations now. 1 minute. Okay, so now you can start speaking for 2 minutes. Thank you. That is the end of your part 2 section. Moving to part 3, that is follow up questions or general discussion. Your first question is, why do people feel nervous when they are giving a speech to others? How can people improve their public speaking skills? Can you suggest any methods that would help reduce nervousness? Is it good for people to visit schools and give a talk to children about different things? What type of person is best suited to give a talk to a group of students? Thank you. That is it for your speaking mock test for today. Hope you did well and recorded your answer. Now it's time for you to check your answers with the marking criteria given here. Look where you stand, which area you need to improve, and then work on it very hard. If you haven't done other mock tests, do go and visit our website or our YouTube channel's live mock module, and then you can see whether you are able to do it or not. Apart from speaking, we also have mock tests for listening, reading and writing. So also go there, check it and see whether you are able to complete them in time or not. See you next week. Bye bye. Take care. All the best.